Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows around 50. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday, partly cloudy. Mild with highs in the mid-70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Mild with lows in the mid-50s. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Mild with highs in the mid-70s. Saturday night, showers likely. Mild with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, partly cloudy. A chance of partly cloudy. That gave a mean tension KZZ. Owenton, Kentucky. Sunday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Mild with lows in the lower 50s. Monday, partly cloudy. Mild with highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Mild with lows in the lower 50s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Mild with highs around 70. This is NOAA weather, all hazards radio station KIH 42, Covington, Kentucky. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz, and serving southwest Ohio, northern Kentucky, and southeast Indiana, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office at Wilmington, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Another extended period of dry weather is expected for the remainder of the week, with temperatures trending well above normal. Winds may pick up this weekend with a low tracking northwest of the area. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the fog may. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. And now, cat situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in south central Indiana and north central Kentucky. Receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, when there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area. For southwest, next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH 42 Covington, Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio. Night, mostly clear. Areas of fog after midnight. Lows in station KZZ 48 Owenton, Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48 Owenton, Kentucky. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.